Comfrey, the bone healing plant of the land. Health, history, and metaphysical power. Peace and power. This is Augustus. Before I begin, let me say this clearly. This is not medical advice. I'm not telling you to take Comfrey, apply Comfrey, borrow Comfrey, or use it internally or externally. I'm teaching the history, the tradition, and the metaphysical meaning of this plant. If you have health questions, talk to a qualified healthcare professional. Now let's talk about Comfrey. One of the most respected healing plants in traditional herbalism. Its old name is Knitbone. Because for centuries people believed it supported the body's natural healing process, especially with bones, bruises, and damaged tissue. I'm not telling you to use it that way. I'm telling you what people believed and practiced historically. Comfrey contains a compound called allantoin. In traditional herbal system, allantoin was associated with soothing, rebuilding, and restoring. People use Comfrey poultices, salves, and washes in folk medicine. Again, that's history, not instruction. Some cultures use it for fractures. Some use it for sprains. Some use it for bruises. Some use it for skin issues. But every region had its own method, and every family had its own tradition. Comfrey is also famous as a natural fertilizer. Gardeners call it green gold. Its leaves are rich in nutrients, and people use it to feed their soil, strengthen their plants, and enrich their gardens. That alone tells you something about its spiritual assignment. Comfrey restores what is depleted. Comfrey rebuilds what is broken. Comfrey strengthens what is weak. Now let's talk about the metaphysical meaning. Because Comfrey has one of the strongest spiritual signatures of any plant. Comfrey is a plant of restoration, rebuilding, protection, grounding, sealing, and binding, strengthening the foundation. Its energy is deep, earthy, and stabilizing. It grows thick, strong roots, roots that anchor into the soil and refuse to be moved. that alone tell you its message. Stand firm, rebuild, hold your ground. Spiritually, comfort is used for protection during traveling, sealing intentions, strengthening commitments, grounding scattered energy, helping you rebuild after loss or trauma. It's a plant that says, you can come back from this. You can be restored. You can be made whole again. And here's the part I love. Comfrey grows in rich, moist soil, the kind of soil that holds memory, the kind of soil that carries depth. That means comfrey works with the deep places in you, the places that need rebuilding, the places that need reinforcement, the places that need to be knit back together. But hear me clearly again. I'm not telling you to ingest comfrey. I'm not telling you to apply comfrey. I'm not telling you to use it internally or externally. I'm teaching the history, the folklore, and the metaphysical meaning. If you're curious about using any herb for health, talk to a qualified healthcare professional first. Comfrey is a plant of restoration, a plant of rebuilding, a plant of grounding, a plant of strength. It heals the soil. It strengthens the land. And in traditional systems, it symbolizes the healing and strengthening of the body and the spirit. If it grows near you, it speaks to you. This is Augustus. Stay rooted, stay observant, and keep learning the plants God placed in your path.